Hello everyone, welcome to the Python series by Socio Programmer. Hope you guys are doing well and having a good time. So today we are going to start with the introduction of the series. So in episode 1 we will be setting up a Visual Studio Code and Python interpreter to ensure that we don't face any problem while coding. In episode 2 we will talk about data types and their properties. In episode 3 we will have a look on conditional statements and discuss some really amazing problems. In episode 4 we will talk about loops and different types of loops. In episode 5 we will explore two immutable data types, strings and tuples. And in episode 6 we will learn about two mutable data types, lists and dictionaries. Episode 7 will contain data structures, which is a very vast topic. And in the final episode we will end this series with a very interesting topic, that is file management using Python. But before jumping into Python, let us discuss some basic stuff. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a sequence of instructions where the main goal is to solve a specific problem, perform a certain action or computation. In normal words, algorithm is nothing but sequential and precise steps to solve any problem. Let us understand with an example. Now this is an algorithm to simply add two numbers. Taking a look at this algorithm, first step is always the start. Now in second step we have to take an input from the user because we don't know what to add and to what. So we need the user to help us here. Now as soon as the user enters both the numbers, we have to simply add num1 to num2 and store the result in sum. Now we have the result and we will give user what he asked for, that is the sum. So in step 4 we displayed the sum to the screen and our task is done. This is how we break down a problem into small and efficient steps and align them in a manner such that it all makes sense. I think now you are clear with the concept of an algorithm. One more thing, it is not important that you must use these words like read and display. You can write algorithm in any form you are comfortable with. Now I have a practice problem for you that you should try. Write an algorithm to find the largest among three different numbers entered by the user. Try to solve this yourself and I will give you the solution in the next video. Until then, thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.